Brush sets. Tap the brush icon to open the brush tools. Here you will see the brush sets live on the left hand side. And they contain all the extra brushes. You can see the contents in each brush set on the right. To create a new brush set, pull down to reveal the blue little cross button and tap it. Here you can name the new brush set. You can also add brushes to the new set to keep them all in one place. If you've got favourite brushes, you might want to add them in one place. So if you tap on a brush and then swipe right on other brushes below, you can tap and hold the selection of the chosen brushes and see the little green cross. And then you can drag them and drop them into the new brush set folder. And then they'll all appear in this one folder. Bear in mind that those brushes will then have moved out of its original folder and be in the new folder. Import brushes. Importing new brushes, transfer the brush files to your iPad via a sharing service like Dropbox or iCloud. Refer to the PDF guide for importing your brush sets onto the iPad. Okay, we need to go and find the new brush sets to put into Procreate to import them. So if we go to the file where you've saved your brush set file, possibly on your iPad somewhere, here they'll be identified with the Procreate icon so that you know that they're Procreate files. So if you double tap on one of the icons, the brush sets, and it will then appear in your brush library. So if you look on the left hand side, the brush set will be there and all the brushes will appear on the right.